Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hey viewers, today we have Aditi Munje with us. She is a BMS graduate from Mumbai University and she has doing her MBA from SIBM Hyderabad, that is Symbiosis Hyderabad. So today she will be sharing her scoop with all of us. So hi Aditi, how are you?
Hello, sir. I'm great.
So how is lockdown treating you?
Treating me well. Internship is going on. My research work is going on. So I'm busy. I'm happy about that.
Oh, great. So, what are the future plans? Like, college is planning to conduct online lectures or what?
Yes, we have already got our timetables today. So the lectures start from July 10th, and internships have been because of the COVID, they were postponed. So we'll be done with our internships by 30th June. Presentations and then lectures start.
Okay, great. So, can you brief the viewers about your profile, about your educational background?
Sure. Right now I'm doing MBA in HR at the moment from Symbiosis, and I have done my BMS from Sydenham College, Mumbai, and so my BMS was also in HR specialization, and so is my MBA. So pretty much a good um getting into the MBA.
Okay, great. How are you able to cope up with the college thing or the curriculum which they generally offer with at the college?
Even if I was a fresher, I have had my experience of internships before. So I have worked in offices, I've worked under people, and so I had done two internships before getting into the course. So because of and having people around of corporate in my family, so many of them being in HR as well, it has given me a very much good experience of knowing things, being aware or at least familiar with few terminologies, if you may say, and things around. So getting here is was not big a problem. I mean, settling into this kind of an environment, I always wanted to do this, and whenever the teacher is telling me something, I do understand because of that.
Okay, great. So this comes very handy, the internship thing. Great. So let's talk a bit about Symbiosis. So Symbiosis SIBM Hyderabad is the third institute under SIBM League and recently established. So being a student there, please give us certain insights. Like there are many students who would be opting for SIBM Hyderabad in future as well. So please give us certain insights about the college which will help them to take a decision.
So, I understand that it is the youngest child at the moment. Actually, not the youngest child. Nagpur has just come up. It's just completing its first year. But still, people get skeptical about it because it is a very new college. I don't know how it is, how the placements would be. But nothing of the sort need to be worried about. It is, after all, it is symbiosis as well. But the kind of exposure that you get is amazing. Uh, the one of the problems that people think is a problem is that it is around 60 kilometers away from the city, but the fact that we have been around in the city so much that we do not know what that thing actually gets you. So, being away from the city, being away from all those that pollution, the car noises is actually so much helpful in the study matter, obviously, but also being in the environment continuously, being with the people you're studying with continuously, you are actually developing way more than what you would have done if you were in living in a hostel or probably coming back from home and to the college. So the thing that you learn being there 24 by 7 with those people, discussing things of what you have just learned in the classroom, taking it back to your rooms and mess, that is a canteen. So whenever and then applicability starts. So I would just like to share an incident that we had gone through. We were just into the first semester of ours, and we were learning marketing at the moment. That time it was a common subject. So when we were doing that, after the lecture, a few lectures had gone by after days. one day we were sitting in the mess, and while discussing the concept that the sir had taught us 2 days back, we were actually applying it at the moment, and we were just loving it. That you could actually applying it at the, right there, then and there. So that actually got us struck very well, that being in such a secluded, even though if it is a secluded area, you are so much enriched of what you have come there for.
Okay, great, great, great. Uh, so nice, nice, nice. So after your BMS, while you were doing an internship, or while you were in BMS, you thought of doing an MBA, and you started with the journey, did certain research by yourself, started preparing. So can you take the viewers about your experience preparing for SNAP, and the second stage process, that is interview and the group discussion or group exercise which Symbiosis takes? So can you brief the viewers about it?
Sure. SNAP was in December, so I started my preparation from June as soon as I completed my BMS, and I was completely into just concentrating on my education at the moment, where I was just preparing for exams, entrance exams. So during my uh, time of giving SNAP, GK was one of the options. So I had concentrated a lot on GK as well, because that was my strong point. And quants being my the weakest, I was concentrating on the other parts the most, and also on quants. So that is why I got my score. And in January, I came to know that I was selected in SIBM Hyderabad. February, I went there for my GDPI VAT session. So for that, mainly what is seen is your confidence, and what are your the way you portray your work. That is more important. There are a lot many people who have come there without internships, but what have they done during their courses that they had done during their graduations is very much important. How they present it, and how much can they really be uh, like a sponge, how much can they actually take in when they'll be taught in MBA. So that is one of the major things that is being seen. Second is the VAT process is actually very easy. They just want to know how much can you write and how much do you know about the topic. And obviously the sentence structuring grammar is always there, but how much can you actually, how much do you know about a certain topic is also very much important, and how do you write it. So being aware of concepts, being aware of general terminologies is extremely important. So because if you do not know I would say jargons, if you do not know them, then you won't be able to write anything, and the confidence level that can be seen in your writing is gone. Um, then is your GE. So in GE, mainly, what if you're given a task that has some kind of a goal or a score to be achieved? Do not concentrate on the score that needs to be achieved. What you need to concentrate is that how you achieve it, because the GE moderators are going to look at only the way you reach it. The way is more important than what is your destination, because there have been times that people have actually seen that they have set up a certain even my team that I had, we had set a goal of 6 baskets, but we could achieve only 4. That is throwing a ball or something, was one of my tasks. So going for 6 was not the aim that they were looking at, or do we achieve 6 or not. But if we have set up 6, how do we achieve 6? That is what is main. So do not lose your vision, do not lose your journey towards the destination just because of looking at only the destination.
Okay, and do you remember any of the interview questions that were asked to you?
Um, Mainly, sir, my interview happened on my internship. So as I began and I told about myself, I had mentioned about my internship there. So the latest one that I had in my third year, uh, that was what we discussed all the time. So they were asking me because my internship was on attrition in the company. So that is why they had the complete discussion on attrition. Sorry, on the internship mainly.
Okay, great. A BMS graduate and you did your internship before joining MBA. So in this 1 year of MBA, so what changes do you see in yourself before an MBA and after this 1 year of MBA?
So there are changes that I see in myself in multiple dimensions, if I may say. SIB in Hyderabad has a lot many committees for the students. So the complete campus is run on student councils, and it's a complete student-run campus. So even the GE pivot process, except for the GE moderators and the interviewers, rest everything has been handled by students. So the faculty, the management does not look into the process handling of GE pivot. So I was one of the people this year who was handling this, and that has taught me a lot of management lessons in the very beginning of any career in the very first year, actually. And the committees that I spoke of, I'm a part of a photography club here. So I had always loved photography, but because of the travel in Mumbai, locals had just not given me any time to do anything, go out, or even, completely lost. So that is what has helped me. The isolation of the campus has helped me a lot, because just in the campus I have been roaming around at times, just my camera in my hand, roaming around the campus, and I have clicked so many pictures there. So it's just a very wonderful experience. Never been a part of fests before, but this year we have spent days and nights behind it, and the bonding that you get, the relations that you build there. And if you say education wise, I just shared that incident with you where we were completely surprised that we could actually apply a concept just learned so very well into something that was unrelated. And the faculty here actually is very helpful. So a few of the faculty members are residing in the campus itself. So because of that, we have had late lectures at times, and in that, but the faculty is so friendly with you that you can reach out to them at any given moment. Uh, Obviously not at their homes, but yes, you can reach out to them whenever you want, messages, everything, and they'll help you. They'll surely help you. In, be it whatever your problem, they'll try and help you in every sense. So that has been really great, the bonding that we have had with our teachers.
Oh, nice. So you are taking your passion to the next level, and I guess you are in a very good position to utilize this 2 years of your time and
Actually,
extracting each minute out of Symbiosis. Okay, great. That's it all from my side. So, last but not least, do you have any pro tip for the students who are going to appear for SNAP or MB addresses or anything which will help them in future?
so this year onwards, Snap has got its GK out. So I would just say that just a person like me who is not that good at cons was stressing out a lot because of it. So do not stress because one of your section is very weak or just weak. Concentrate on the others first, get them really strong, and then work a little on this as well, because you cannot completely ignore it, but you can strengthen it a little, but your other sections will help you at some level. The thing is that this is just to check uh, how you well prepared are you in these three sections, but what defines you is during your G pivot section. That is the main thing that you need to show and what you actually are. These sections are just as a filter. Do not take them as a judge of what your mind and ability is.
Okay, ठीक है. Thank you so much, Aditi, to share your scoop and you to share your experience with the viewer.
So my pleasure, sir. My pleasure is all mine.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Take
Thank
care.
you. You too, sir.